Hi, I'm Tony Bell, and to continue this video series, today I'm going to be talking about how to move my analytics to Power BI. If you are like most people, you probably use Excel to do your data analytics. It's a great program, but it has its limitations. Power BI is a tool that was designed specifically for data analytics, and it offers a lot of advantage over Excel. But how do you move your analytics from Excel to Power BI? There are a few different approaches you can take. One is to simply start using Power BI instead of Excel for your data analytics. This approach has the advantage of being very straightforward. However, it can be difficult to learn how to use Power BI if you're used to using Excel. Another approach is to export your data from Excel into Power BI. This approach can be slightly more difficult, but it has the advantage of allowing you to continue using Excel for other tasks while you're able to learn to use Power BI. Finally, you can use a hybrid approach, which companies utilize. With this approach, you would continue to use Excel for some tasks and use Power BI for others. For example, you might use Excel for exploratory data analysis and then switch to Power BI when you want to create visualizations or perform more complex analyses.